Hi folks, and welcome to the third episode of Padurday. So today we're looking at a really cool little lick that we can use in shuffle grooves. I use it as a fill all the time and it's actually really simple. So what we're going to do is just dive straight into it and it won't take too long to explain. So what I'm going to do is explain this little lick in 3 stages, and then it explains it a lot clearer that way rather than just going into the whole full thing. So what we're going to do in the first stage is we're going to play just 8th note triplets as single stroke rolls. So we count that as 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. So there's basically 3 notes in every beat. So what I'll do is I'll just play that as single strokes, and what you'll notice is every beat it changes lead hand. So I'll quickly show that at a slow tempo just now. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to actually accent the 3rd triplet in each beat. So we're going 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. So it's going to be the 3rd note in each beat, and that's going to be our accent note. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a quick video of me playing just normal triplets, and then the version where I accent the 3rd triplet as well. So accenting that 3rd triplet is the stage 2, and so it's pretty simple. We're going from just normal triplets to triplets that are accented on the 3rd note. And finally what we're doing at the end of this is we're going to be diddling those first 2 notes. We're going to be doubling up those first triplet notes. So at the end of the day what you actually get, if you've not figured it out already, is just a 5-stroke roll. So right, right, left, left, right, and then left, left, right, right, left. We're actually playing it in triplet feel, so it actually creates a cool kind of almost rushed feel to it because you're doing it on the 3rd triplet instead of the downbeat. So it creates a kind of shuffly thing, and it works great in shuffle grooves. So what I'll do is I'll play this really slow at a very slow tempo, and then I'll play it at a higher tempo so you can hear the difference and see how it sounds in context to the click. But make sure you've got that triplet feel down with the metronome first, and then start adding the accent, and then finally doubling up those first 2 triplet notes and then accenting the 3rd. So as well as just playing it on the snare, what you can do is you can add the accents around the toms or cymbals as like hits. I'll show you an example of that in context with a blues groove. So that's it, it's really not too hard. It's just a 5-stroke roll really as triplets, and then all you do is kind of move around the kit in any way you see fit, and really practice it while doing a kind of shuffle groove, and you'll see how it really glues in together and creates a really cool feeling and little fill that you can use. So that's the last time I'll be using that Natal kit, I think, because there's a guy coming to look at it and he might be buying it if it's alright, but I mean it's great, I love it, so I don't see why he wouldn't. But that does mean that I'm getting a new kit in about an hour's time or so. So I'm really excited, and I'll do a quick unboxing video and then I'll show you the kit. I'm really excited about this one because it's one of my dream kits as a kid. So, you know, it's just really exciting. So stay tuned for that next video, and I'll catch you next time. Take care.